Exotic, exotic, exotic.
You know, tonight I'm feeling a little out of control. Is this me? You wanna get crazy? Cause I don't give a...
Join us this and every Thursday at The Express for The Exotica Show. We're the drag show that has your favorite local performers bringing you your favorite artists. For more information, log on to www.exotica.net.